What's up everyone? Sino type mo? Putang ina, ano itong ginagawa na?
Hey guys! Hey guys, what up?
Hey peeps!
We're here in the dance studio because we're great dancers. We're gonna be best dancers in the world, yo!
Okay, so
Look at me, I'm doing the head spin. Ooh, head spin.
How's your day, Jerome?
My day has been very bright because there's sun in the sky, so it's very bright.
Can you like answer the question like seriously?
Yeah, seriously, because it's very hot, you know. That's why there's a sun and global warming. So it's very hot. It's like I'm a baked lechon kawali because I'm fat. And
So
it's like a boat oven.
How's your rehearsal for today?
Rehearsal, it was very, very long. You know, I had lost time to do my post homework.
Post
Oh, look at the flowers. The
Fireworks.
Kasi
Wow.
Japanese ng fireworks flowers.
So nasa anong stage ka na ngayon ng rehearsals nyo?
Nasa dance studio kami.
Hindi, anong stage na? Saan banda na kayo?
Nakatapos lang namin.
How was it?
Tapos
Malapit na?
We're done with blocking everything. We blocked the whole place. So now we're gonna do cleaning and usher. Ano ba yun? Polishing.
What's your play again?
Death and Tomato.
Na,
Na.
di ba English yun? So like, translate mo ba or what?
Oh, sinalin siya into Filipino.
Oh, ikaw Prio, anong part mo sa production ni Jerome?
So hi, I'm Priyo. I'm the stage manager for La Muerta y La Doncella.
Mas alam niya pa yung title.
Yeah.
Mukha mo. So right now we're waiting for our production manager because we can't leave our area because he's responsible for everything. His stuff is here and his spaghetti is getting cold, so I will eat it later.
Wait, nasan pala tayo?
Dance studio nga, ulit
The
ulit.
Gonzaga Dance Studio,
Natin na ba yun?
G311.
We're like in Ateneo, de Manila University.
Yes.
So unang sa lahat, since this is our first entry,
So hi, I'm Priyo. This is third.
ako si third.
Ako si Ford.
Yung totoo,
Fuck you.
I'm Jerome.
Jerome. So mga sila students of
Five.
Ateneo.
Five.
Ako
Mercedes.
former student of Ateneo. Hindi former, grad. Alumnus.
Sugyo Shins.
So anyway, mga ano kami, galing kami sa isang theater group. Ano ang ideal girl sa'yo? Top 5 characteristics ng
Pare,
ideal.
yung ideal girl para
Wait,
sa...
top 5 ideal.
So para sa akin, Chinita.
Asa ka
Dapat
gago.
petite.
Oh, number
Dapat may
1.
malaking
Rio,
tits.
number 1.
Okay, so top 1, dapat matangkad siya pero hindi mas matangkad sa akin. Number 2, for me,
Dapat
dapat
matinis
morena.
Oh, maitim? Brown?
Morena. Yung kayo manggi, like the normal
Parang
Filipino
Audrey.
person.
Sinong example?
Yeah.
Ay, sinong famous person?
Famous personality, Catherine Bernal.
Parang di mo morena si
Catherine Bernardo.
Bernardo.
Oh, number 3, number 3.
Number 3 for, of course,
Not
personality.
Number 3, personality.
Yeah, number 3, personality. Number 4 would be a good sense of humor. Number 5, number 5, surprise na siguro. Something.
Surprise.
May element
Hindi
of
ka pa niya
surprise.
Hindi pa niya
May element of
na
surprise. Hindi convention. Kumbaga,
Hindi convention.
conventional. O ikaw naman.
Yung type ko kasi mga Sarah Geronimo.
Good
Brains,
conversation.
brains and beauty.
Hi Sam.
Hey Sam, hey.
Hi, this is Sam.
Hey, say hi Sam.
Ari ko.
Sorry.
So
Like,
now,
that's what
may,
you like.
may show siya right now.
Yeah.
Ano ba yun? Nag-start na ba?
Not yet.
Ang title ng play, Ko by Carmel Ilustrisimo. Ito ay isang play. Tagal ng play
Oo
nila.
nga, play nga siya.
Ito ay isang
Sana
play
play siya.
tungkol sa mga isang couple ng NPA na pinugkog kasi kugkog ng title.
Playwriting pieces, tama ba?
Opo.
Hi!
What
Hi
are
everyone, this is Kel.
Hello!
This is Sam. Newbie members of ENTA. So this is VJ Serra, one of the winners for LSAA 2016. Hi guys! So this is the Gonzaga Dance Hall. So, kung makikita nyo po, may mga masking tape. Kasi nagkaroon po ng rehearsal dito kanina. Kailan shows mo?
Next week Friday pa, tsaka next week Saturday na hapon.
So, ang sunod dito, Friday, Saturday. The next week na lang ako manonood.
Di ba magkakulay yung face code mo?
Hindi.
Pati yung body ko, kukuluran ko.
Break a leg! Break your legs, not my heart.
Now break your legs, break them. Break your legs, break the sound.
I think this is gonna be a successful first vlog. Right, BJ?
But what's the overall arcing of this play?
A group of theater people just having the time of their lives.
But isn't that the
Ipakshit ka.
overall plot? What was this episode about?
Intro, introduction of
Oo nga, so ano yung
characters.
kwento ng intro?
Anong gusto mo sa babae? Oh, yan. Ilalagay ko yon.
I like Sarah Geronimo. This is my crush.
Okay, push.
I get hard.
You get hard. Chase. Bikalade.
I connect po.
She's our friend pala.
Yeah, she's our friend from UP.
Yes. Bicaleg. So they're gonna have their show today. Now. Hi, Patty. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ako si Patty.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Fatima.
Oh, Fatima and Fatima.
Hi, hello.
Yeah.
Hi,
Where did you come
tourist
from?
fans.
I mean, where have you been?
Oh, I've been to the play, Cancer
I
in
was.
Space. It's so nice. The actress is really good.
Playwriting thesis play.
But it's not yet done. It's only the interview.
How about you, Patty? Are you with that girl?
No, I'm not with that girl because I write.
So saan ka galing?
I write.
Intermission, tas alis ka?
Because I'm not anymore lights for the next show.
Is that the way it
I was
should be? Hirap pa English?
No, because you know the lights in the next show is very complicated, so they decided for a different lights person, the one that's very close to the director.
Also, you have two lights people, right?
Yeah, one for the first show and
Which
then
is you.
another. That's me, and then another person for the next show.
That's convenient.
Because I get to go home earlier.
Ayaw mo mag-music 22?
Uy, kain kayo. Pandi ko ako.
Wait, kain kayo pa ni Coco.
Pati.
I won't have it.
And so what?
Chan ko. Chan ko pa rin yun.
What?
Yung, parang nasa chan ko pa rin yung ribs.
Yeah, we had ribs for lunch.
Sarap yung ano.
Sarili ko eh.
Voice?
Anyway, this is
Don't you
Edsa.
trust my voice?
This is Edsa
Don't
Walk
you
of
trust my voice?
the Ateneo de
My voice
Manila.
is very full.
So, dito po ako nag-college. So, I really miss this part of the school. Ayan. So, it's the Zen Garden. Madilim na kasi.
Ano tayo, Ben?